Hello everyone, how are you all? I welcome you all again to an interesting video where we are going to learn how to draw some cute shape. Let's see, we're making these beautiful patterns on the top of it and we are going to get a beautiful lovely flower. Isn't it looking pretty enough? And you can always color them with the help of your favorite colors. Now, with the help of this pattern, let's see what lovely flower are we going to make. You can just imagine, a beautiful lovely bounded rose. Isn't it pretty enough? You can just decorate it further and color it with the help of your favorite colors. Prettier, isn't it? Proceeding further, make the spirals like this, and then with the help of black marker, you have to make the folds in this way and make the stem and the leaves around. Let's see how beautiful. You have to make the leaves on all the side and then the stem. Color it further. Proceeding further, make the petals like this and then make rolls around in this way. You have to make the petals in this manner, make a point-like structure and then the stem, join it further and you can imagine a beautiful lotus. Isn't it pretty enough? Now, make the petals of the flower like this, make the stem stick in this way and the leaves all around. Color it further. Isn't it looking pretty enough? Proceeding further, with the help of black marker, make the droplets in this manner. And what you have to do, you have to join them like this. And let's see what are we going to get. Make the circular patterns in this way and then join them further as we are doing in the video. Just keep on drawing and get the leaves around. And these are the beautiful lovely flowers that you'll get. And further you can decorate it with the help of coloring it with the help of your colors. Isn't it pretty enough? Proceeding further, let's see what are we going to make and what lovely flower. Is it a flower? Let's see which flower is it. Keep on making and then don't forget to put the stem and the leaves around on either side of it. Yes, this is looking something pretty and amazing. A unique flower. Isn't it looking amazing? Proceeding further, make a circular pattern like this and again a circular pattern on either side and join them and make the stick like this and again and the leaves around. Color it further. Beautiful enough, isn't it? Proceeding further, make an oval shape like this and then you have to join it further using this pattern. And let's see what are we going to make. Make the patterns inside the oval and let's see what are we going to get. Make the leaves around in this way in the pattern as we are doing. Keep on making the leaves on either side of it and join it. Let's see what lovely unique structure are we going to get. Isn't it amazing? Now you have to take a glittery marker like this and you have to make the petals around in this manner. Make the lines in between and crisscross it and make it like this and again you have to make the stem and stick. Yes, a beautiful sunflower, isn't it? Now make spirals like this and again you have to join it further. Yes, you can imagine we are drawing a beautiful lovely rose. You have to make it further and make the stick around in this manner as we are doing. You have to make the leaves like this using the black marker and again you have to make the veins like this. Isn't it pretty enough? Proceeding further in the video, make the pattern like this and again you have to join it further like this and in the manner as we are doing. Make the stick at the bottom of it till the bottom and draw the leaves on either side of it. Isn't it looking pretty rose flower? Yes, definitely it is looking pretty and you can decorate it further by coloring it with the help of your favorite colors. Proceeding further, you have to make petals of flower like this and then the stick around. Make the pond like structure, that 2 and 1 and you can imagine what are we making a beautiful lotus. Isn't it pretty enough? You can try making on your own. Just again join it with the help of small budding lotus. Isn't it pretty amazing? Proceeding further, let's see what are we going to get now. You have to make the petals like this and keep on making the patterns in this way. And let's see what in the end you are going to get. Keep on making exact copy of the same on either side of it and you have to make the patterns and leaves in this way. On either side you have to do the same thing. And let's see what are we going to get. Decorate it further and make the flowers like this and join it in this manner and you will get an amazing beautiful drawing. Isn't it amazing? Thank you so much.